నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. వేడుకలన్నాక కాస్త మేకప్ టచ్ లేకపోతే ఎలా? సమస్యల్లా ఆ సందడిలో పడి ఆదమర్చినప్పుడే గమనించుకోకుండా కాటుకో లిప్స్టిక్కో దుస్తులకు అంటిందో వదిలించడం పెద్ద తలనొప్పి. సులువుగా పోగొట్టే మార్గాలేంటో మనం కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం. హైనెక్ కాలర్ డ్రెస్ వేసుకున్నారా? మనం ప్రత్యేకంగా అంటించుకోనక్కర్లేదు. మెడకు వేసిన ఫౌండేషన్ కాంపాక్ట్ చక్కగా దుస్తులకు అతుక్కుపోతుంది. లేత దుస్తులైతే మరకలు మరింత బాగా కనిపిస్తాయి. ఇలాంటప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న గిన్నెలో గోరువెచ్చని నీటిని తీసుకుని దానికి కొద్దిగా లిక్విడ్ డిష్ వాష్ను కలపాలి. దూదిని ఆ నీటిలో ముంచి నెమ్మదిగా మరక ఉన్న ప్రాంతంలో రుద్దకుండా సున్నితంగా అద్దాలి. దూదితో పాటు మేకప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అవసరమైతే దూదిని మార్చుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇక మరిన్ని ఆసక్తికరమైన విషయాలు తెలుసుకోబోయే ముందు ఇప్పుడు నవ్యలో డిఫరెంట్ జ్యువెలరీస్ చూద్దాం.
Hi, my name is Tanisha and here this is my store. It's called White. We deal in pure silver jewelry which is 95 purity. We have a lot of items which range from destination bridal jewelry to everyday small dainty pieces. Right now in my hand I have a lab-grown emerald stone with moissanite on the necklace. So we also have small jewelry pieces like this, which is a pendant and earring set in moissanite plus silver jewelry. We have Swarovski stones on silver jewelry, and such big sets we also have them in Swarovski stones, which is like this. These are all Swarovski stones and these are all moissanite stones. So moissanite stones are the same ones that we use in gold jewelry, and these are Swarovski original stones. We also deal in silver jewelry with pure stones. Here I have pure pearls with tanzanite stones in 9 to 5 silver jewelry base, and here I have tanzanite stones with morganites in pure silver jewelry. This is on pure silver base again. These are pearls. These are uncut moissanite stones. And this is all a setting of semi-precious stones. We also have earrings with it. So this is like a perfect destination wear jewelry that comes very handy. This set also comes with a matching earring set. We deal in a lot of South Indian jewelry as well, like this haram, which is a long har that you can wear on full, and you can even shorten it. With these we have earrings, and we can pair it with bangles that have matching green stones. We also make Nakshi bangles and jewelry. Coming to a very small everyday trousseau collection piece, this is a choker which can also be worn as a necklace, and you can wear it as a long chain. This comes with a set of its own earrings. These are semi-precious emerald stones, and it is on set with seized stones. Coming to the bridal section, we have a lot of bridal jewelry, which is like a 7-layer jewelry set in uncut moissanite stones, pearls, emeralds. This is a 7-layer set that will nicely accompany a bride who has to layer her necklace. It comes with a set of earrings with them. Since the set is very big, we have put the earrings to be very small. We can pair all these sets earrings with matching bangles of uncut moissanites, which are openable and can customize to your size and polish of your liking. We also do rose gold, Victorian and gold polish. Coming to this necklace, this is a 3-layer uncut polki set. It is adorned with pink morganite stones in a pumpkin shaped stones. This is a 3-layer set but can be worn as single, double and 3 layers altogether. And you can pair any earrings or anything with these. Coming to this long harem, this is a long harem with emerald stones and a locket. This locket consists of two birds sitting with an emerald stone and a half jhumki. This is nicely complemented and set it with a matching jhumki earrings that will go really well. These jhumki earrings we have made in such a way that you can pair these jhumki earrings with anything, since we have not matched it with any green color. So these are evergreen jhumkis that can be worn up and down according to your occasion, with and without this harem. So coming back to this harem, you can wear it like a choker and a necklace and a long harem. Coming to this set, this is our Victorian polki finish set. We have made it lightweight and added pearls in it to give a big grander look. This is a long layering necklace that can be worn nicely on a plain dress to amp up your look. This is Victorian pure silver sets with polki and cheetah green stones, which are emeralds. Coming to our Nakshi South Indian temple set, which is of 2 layers. It features goddess Lakshmi motifs and pearls with little stone Caesar detailings. It is nicely paired with small jhumkis to give a very nice South Indian look and touch to your attire. Coming to our very beautiful exquisite bridal collection, this is a 5-layer moissanite cut stones polki necklace. It is a very beautiful long necklace which features emerald leaf stones and emerald stones on top. This is a very nice long necklace for bridal wear. We also have matching rings to pair up and make it an entirely beautiful bridal collection set. These are a few of our latest designs that I had explained and showed it to you. Please visit our store to see more destination bridal jewelry collection in pure silver. Thank you.
చూసారు కదా డిఫరెంట్ జ్యువెలరీస్. ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో చిన్న విరామం తీసుకుందాం.